water will be collected and you have to note down the time.
But for this, how much water which is decreasing with respect to time?
Yes.
For the
First we will fill it with the sand.
Right,
Suppose
I understand.
one kind of sand is here, here is a crusty. Then you will fill it and wait the water to be filled up to this level.
okay. So you
Suppose it is filled about 5 centimeters high from the
I understand. With the time, what
Note down the
I
time.
want to know what is the depth of water which is going down.
Yes.
So for that I need one scale.
Okay, you have this.
Yeah, that same.
The same.
जो लास्ट टाइम
Don't worry, I will sending a complete set of 50 scales.
जो कोरियर करने के लिए बोल रहे थे
Yes, I will courier this.
You just
I will just paste it
आप मैं कर दूंगा
and it will be
Yes,
pasted.
yes.
Don't worry. And
Remaining is
for this I will send the transparent one.
Yeah.
That will be better. Okay. So
Yeah. Now remaining
you have to only
remaining okay.
type it.